Hello everyone, welcome back to Mental Health Spectrum. I am Dr. Jerome and today I would like to talk about mindfulness, how it is used in mental health, and an interesting concept called neuroplasticity. I will keep it simple and practical. Let us see what mindfulness is. Mindfulness is the practice of being present, that is, paying attention to your current thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. In simple words, it is about living in the here and now instead of getting trapped in the past or future. Because often our mind is not in the present, it is trapped in the past or future. This leads to overthinking, anxiety, depression, and even hostility. Where do we use mindfulness in mental health? Mindfulness is not just meditation, it is a skill that can be applied in many mental health conditions. In anxiety, mindfulness helps people to notice their worries without letting them spiral out of control. In depression, it prevents negative thoughts from pulling someone back into another episode. In fact, therapies like mindfulness based cognitive therapy are built on this principle. For stress and burnout, mindfulness lowers stress hormones like cortisol and helps the body relax. In addiction, mindfulness teaches people to observe cravings without acting on them, reducing a relapse. Even in conditions like psychosis or bipolar disorder, mindfulness can help a person become more aware of early warning signs and stay grounded. And importantly, mindfulness is also useful for everyday life for children, students, and working professionals to improve focus, sleep, and emotional balance. Now, what is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity is a fascinating property of the brain. It means our brain is not fixed. It can change, brain can grow, and brain can rewire itself throughout life, depending on what we repeatedly practice. Think of it like this. Each time you walk through a field, you create a small path. If you keep using the same path, it becomes stronger and clearer. The brain works in a similar way. The thoughts and habits you repeat build strong neural pathways. Or, like a person doing regular exercise, develops strong muscles. How does mindfulness affect neuroplasticity? Research shows that regular mindfulness practice literally changes the structure and function of the brain. It strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the area that helps us focus and control our impulses. It calms the amygdala, the part of brain's fear center, reducing overreactions to stress. It improves the hippocampus, which is linked to memory and emotional balance. Brain scans even show that people who practice mindfulness regularly have stronger connections between brain regions that control attention and self-awareness. This means that with mindfulness, we are actually training the brain to respond calmly instead of reacting impulsively. In summary, mindfulness is more than just a relaxation technique. It is a scientifically proven way to strengthen the brain through neuroplasticity. By practicing mindfulness in daily life, even 10 minutes of breathing awareness or mindful walking, we can reduce stress, manage mental health problems better, and build resilience for the future. So remember, your brain is not fixed, it can change and grow, and mindfulness is one of the simplest tools we have to shape it in a healthy direction. Thank you.